1678 over.
Track 6, Metro.
And track 6, go ahead over.
Looks like we got a couple we need to copy.
Sure do. Alright, first up, Moffat, Form A, 6217 over.
6217 between Moffat 52.15, Moffat 52.25, speed is 1515 mph, main track, no flags.
That's correct there, 1616 TJO over.
Okay, 1616 TJO.
That's correct. Next up, Moffat Form A 6286 over.
6286 between Moffat 20.25, Moffat 21.85, speed is 1515 mph, main track, no flags.
That's correct, 1617 TJO over.
Okay, 1617 TJO.
Correct, Moffat Form C 6122 over.
Okay, 6122 train sector, Moffat 20.1 on the main track. We got a service to be governed by SFI item 13.
That's correct, 1617 TJO over.
Okay, 1617 TJO.
That's correct, and I'm not planning on using Rocky siding for you guys, so we'll just skip that one. And as far as I am aware, we are still having PTC issues, CPDS 051 inside the Moffat Tunnel. Yesterday we had the eastbound Amtrak just get it in view, and then I remoted an authority and PTC let them by. So we plan on doing it that way, but obviously if we're in the tunnel, PTC stopping us to get to safety, we can soft cut PTC as needed inside the tunnel.
Okay, soft cut out PTC as needed at 05 again.
That's correct there. Yeah, I mean, if you just want to tone me up in the tunnel when you're approaching DS051, that way once you have it in view, I can send that to you, and that should resolve the red fence. And then just the soft cut would be our backup plan if it doesn't work.
Okay, we'll tone you up when the signal's in view inside the tunnel, and hopefully that'll work. Okay.
Perfect. That way you don't have to cut back in at the east end. All right, thanks guys. You're special.
Thank you.
And I'm sure you're well aware, ski train out ahead of you, so they depart the platform 1640, so yeah, bit of a delay here. I don't know if you want to extend it at Fraser, just where it's more comfortable. If you just want to be right there at 57 ready when it goes, that's fine.
Okay, so 1640 out of the Winter Park Station, then we'll have to wait for the venting and the restricted speed and all that. I'll ask the conductor what he wants to do.
Copy, sounds good. Thanks guys. Dispatch up.
Thank you.